If you haven't noticed by now, there are far fewer new coupes and convertibles available than there was a decade ago. Thankfully, Mercedes-Benz hasn't abandoned two-doors or drop tops yet, and the new 2024 CLE-Class is proof of that. When the CLE goes on sale at the beginning of 2024, it will replace both the C-Class and E-Class coupes and convertibles. It's similar in size to the previous E-Class, and we expect prices start closer to $70,000. Here in the US, we'll get the CLE 300 with a 255 horsepower turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder, as well as the 375 horsepower CLE 450 with a turbo straight 6. Both will come standard with Mercedes' 4MATIC all-wheel drive system. The CLE looks gorgeous in person and fits perfectly in the Mercedes' current lineup, though it doesn't really break any new ground. The interior is an adaptation of the now familiar cabin found in most other Benzes, and it will benefit from the latest MBUX infotainment system upgrades. As expected, the interior is impeccably appointed, with excellent materials and a sturdy build quality. What we didn't expect were back seats that can actually accommodate an adult-sized passenger. We were also surprised by the fairly large 14.8 cubic foot trunk capacity. Mercedes says you can fit 3 golf bags back there. We should have drive impressions of the 2024 Mercedes-Benz CLE-Class near the end of the year, so keep an eye out for that. Hopefully, we'll also be able to report on a future AMG variant too.